Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 67 of our 100-day price action challenge. Before getting into our video, I would just want to thank each and everyone. We have reached the 500 subscriber mark. I want to do a live session. Please let me know when is the ideal time for all the subscribers so that I would do it. Also, let me know should I do it on the YouTube or should I take a Zoom call or a Google Meet so that we can interact much more easily. So let's get into the markets as of now. We have seen a little reversal today happening, not in the Nifty 50, but you can see Nifty Junior almost up 1%. But in the morning, even Nifty Junior was down almost 1.5%. Looks like there was a short covering again. I am not saying that the market is bottomed out or we are looking for a reversal. It might happen, but it is too early to say that. As of now, it just looks to me like a short covering because after seeing such heavy fall almost from 17 December, non-stop the index was down 24%. So people who have initiated the short positions would ideally looking to book the profits as of now. Hence, there is short covering. Also, there are few people who are looking for the value buys, right? Probably they are doing averaging up their index funds. Anything could be the reason here. Even the Nifty 100 is almost flat today. Even mid cap was also down today. Mid cap was again, it was almost down 2.5%. There was a carnage out in the morning, but again, there was a very sharp reversal happened in the mid cap. Even the small cap is down 2 to 3% in the morning, but it is recovered. And although it has finally ended up 0.6% negative, and the micro cap 0.8% negative. So looks like there was a lot of buying happened in the second half of the today's session. Even the Nifty 500 is flat, but again it is still below the 20,000 crucial support. Now it's very important. Probably we might see a 1 or 2 days of very good move happening from here on. But again, please do mind that is it sustainable or not? That's what we need to focus on. Coming to the gold has corrected over the last Friday. You can see here, right? It has lost its charm. Currently settling at the 221 EMA. So let's wait for a few more sessions and see. As of now, gold looks like it has cooled off a little bit. Even the silver is not doing anything. It is going sideways. Now let's start our sectoral charts. Bank Nifty is flat again, almost 0.5% down. Private banks haven't done much today. PSU banks, it was down heavily in the morning, but again, looks like there was some recovery. There was also some kind of short covering happened in the IT because on Friday we have seen a major fall. It has corrected 4%. Also, the India GDP data was out, hence some kind of positivity is coming out. But again, the entire negativity is dominating the little positive news. Auto is again almost flat. Try to recover here, but look at the closing again, not that great. Realty is up 1.26%, but again, I do not usually trust this move. Please don't fall into the trap that the market is reversing right now. Let's wait for a few more sessions. Let us wait for the bottom formation. CNX Pharma, nothing interesting here happening. Infra is also 0.4%, but doesn't help much, right? FMCG almost stayed flat over there. And looks like healthcare is also up 0.4%. Media is down again 1%. See, that's very weak sector we are having now. Let's start with the Nifty 100. Today, the talk of the show is Reliance. I have told you, let me zoom out here. You can see here, right? Reliance has clearly broken out this crucial 1200 support. Reliance almost holds 9% weight as of now. I have just checked it in the morning. The weightage is still high. So HDFC Bank, Reliance together itself combined 20%. In fact, almost the first five stocks you have been seeing here, right? They together comprise almost 40% of Nifty. So it's very crucial how these 4 to 5 stocks are behaving such that the Nifty would be acting. Let's look at TCS. Nothing much improvement happening here on the TCS. Let me just close these things. If you look at HDFC, it's the top weight in Nifty. It holds almost 13% weight in Nifty. Since it is down 2% and Reliance down almost 2.4%, these two together stock itself comprise 20% weight of Nifty. Hence, we have seen Nifty not recovering, but Nifty Next 50 in the positive. That's the main reason. These were the draggers today. HDFC has seen a reversal today. The last Friday it was very strong, but again it has give back entire gains it had made on that day. Even Bharti Airtel is up 1%, 1.6%, but again Friday it was very drastic selling. ICICI didn't move, nothing much. Infosys just hovering around this level. SBI almost up 1%, but that doesn't help. Hindustan Unilever, nothing interesting happened here. See, Bajaj Finance. See, that's how the strong stock should look like. Even it had tested this low, almost tested this trend line again. When the market recovered, this stock too has moved up again. That's how the trades of a stronger stock should look like. Always focus on such setups. ITC, nothing interesting here. LIC down again 1.5%, not great. HCL Tech tried to move up but got rejected, and the closing is very weak, almost at the lows of the day, right? L&T hanging out still at the support zone. Now this would be acting as the resistance. So please be careful, not looking that great as of now. Maruti is falling like anything. It gave back entire earnings it made during this gig. Over the January, Maruti was one of the stronger names in the entire month of January. It was up 17%. But again, it gave back entire gains in the February. See, that's how the choppy the market is. Please stay away from the market as of now. Not at all improving. Kotak again went back below its long-term consolidation zone. You never know how long it will take to come out of this zone. Sun Pharma falling like a pre-fall falling. This is not that great. Mahindra and Mahindra hovering around this support zone, not that great. Let's wait and see how it turns out. Ultratech up 2%, but again, see, the last two sessions itself, the stock was down 7%, so it's completely natural. In fact, in the morning, it was up almost 3-4%, but again, see, looks like the closing is very weak. Axis Bank just hovering around this zone, not doing that great. NTBC lost its charm again. Wipro also tried to move up 2%, but again, it has already broken down this line, which is very negative. Bajaj Finserv not doing that great. I expected this was the breakout. It happened. Looks like the market sentiment has made this stock go back into this consolidation zone. If you have taken into your stop loss, this is where we have put our stop loss, and we would have hit our stop loss here. So market not at all looking good. Even the stronger names like these are not behaving well. ONGC again a sharp sell off happened and a quick recovery happened on the stock. Titan helpless, literally. This is very choppy name, still hanging at the lows, not at all doing that great. Adani Enterprises, see, the trend itself is completely downward. Tata Motors again didn't do anything much today, almost flat. Power Grid, same scenario. Bajaj Auto gained down 2.4%. That's massive, guys. Even from here, it had a very strong exponential move of 28-30% in 30 days. In the September, this is where the market has formed a peak. From that point onwards, Bajaj Auto is down 40%. That's a very massive. It's almost 1 lakh crore market cap company losing 40% of its value in just 6 months. JSW Steel as of now currently consolidating around here. Adani Ports not doing that great, down 1%, almost testing this low. I would like to draw a line here. Looks like if Adani breaks this line, which is 1050, 1040 zone, we might see another sell-off in Adani stocks. Even DMart is hanging at the lows, not at all looking good. In fact, it is just hanging at its 52-week low. If this 52-week low is broken down again, we would see massive sell-off. Same thing happening on the Coal India aspect. Hindustan Aeronautical took a sharp reversal, 3% today. That's very good for it, but again, never ever trust it. The last time, every single time it had happened, it quickly got rejected with the 50 EMA or sometimes 21 EMA. So please be careful here again. Don't think that the market is forming a bottom. Zomato going flat. Nestle didn't do anything. Asian Paints again down 0.6%. It is making a new low. This was the another breakdown happened on the Asian Paints. See, very weak name. Adani Power not doing that great, still got rejected at these trend lines. As long as it stays above this trend line, at least for a week, I would not be thinking Adani Power has changed its trend. Bharat Electronics, just like Hindustan Unilever, looks like all the defense kind of themes have seen some kind of buying happening here, but I would not personally trust this buying as of now. Trend up 2% looks like some kind of short covering happening here too. These are from here you will be seeing all the positive stocks. Why? Because these belongs to Nifty Next 50 index, and we have seen a lot of short covering happening in such names. So please be careful. Don't think, I'm again warning you, I'm repeating this thing, that please don't think of this as a bottom formation or reversal. It could be potential, but please don't start putting the money in the market right away. Let's wait for the confirmation. Tata still 1% up, not doing anything. Indigo looks like there was a quick sell off in the morning, almost down 3 to 4%. But again, there was a very, very, very sharp recovery happened here. IOC, same kind of thing happened here. Looks like all these things looks like a shakeout, but again, shakeout would be only confirmed if the next few sessions are very positive. DLF up 1.8%, but again looks like a short covering. Same with Grasim. Varun Beverages to up 5%. All these stocks, look at here, but these are massively fallen stocks. Since we have seen some kind of relief happening today, IRFC did not even make an attempt today. This was the breakdown, massive breakdown happened, and it is still following through. Vedanta quickly came back above this 400 level. I've always told that Vedanta 400 is the major support zone. So please be careful. Now, if it reverses here, that would be a very good short. But you never know, it could again reach somewhere around 430, once again get rejected. Or if the market situation entirely improves, you can see the up move here. Tech Mahindra not helping at all. This was the major breakdown happened. We have seen on the Friday, not at all looking good as of now. Divis Lab still, it is one of the names which tests the patience of all the traders. It is always been trading within this range. It is not taking any direction. SBI Life looks like it is heading down for this support again. LTI am up 3.6%. You know the reason, short covering. Because see, the volumes are not high, right? See, the sell volumes are always high, where the buying volumes are not that great. The buying volumes are very high, I would have trusted. But again, all the stocks are moving up on low volumes. That's not what we want. And look at Geo Financing, massive. Today also again highest volume in quarter. Massive selling happening on the Geo Finance. Clear institutional exit. Hindalco going sideways as of now. Pidilite not helping much. Eicher Motors up here 2.8%, but on very low volume. Look at the selling. See the clear difference here, right? Look at the sell bars happening here. Sell bars happening here, and look at the buying volume. Ideally, it should be reverse, right? Something we should have seen volumes happening something like this on this day, but it's not. The situation is different this time. HDFC Life still waiting, probably taking the support here, needs to close above the 650 level. Adani Green not helping at all. It has corrected drastically. Bajaj Holding now reversing. Today looks like the Bajaj Finserv as well as Bajaj Holding is down, whereas Bajaj Finance is moving up. It's very different kind of market we are in. PFC up 4%, not looking that great. Although up 4% could be a short covering, because the last time also it has moved all the way up here, then corrected 13%. Moved all the way up here, again corrected 16%. Moved all the way up here, again corrected 8%. So please don't trust this rally. Lodha not looking good. Cipla almost hanging at the support. Ambuja Cement, nothing interesting. Britannia struggling at its support zone as of now, which is acting as resistance. Chola is holding up. That's a good sign as of now. Bajaj Finance and Chola and Sriram Finance, we would also be seeing that chart. ABB, nothing interesting. Tata Power, sideways. TVS Motor again. All these stocks give me a similar vibe today. Some kind of short covering happened. Godrej Consumer not even made an attempt. Sriram Finance is up for almost last 4-5 sessions. That's a very strong, up 8% almost in last 3 sessions. That's a good trend. See, the volumes are also very high. That's what I want. When the price is moving up, I need such strong volumes. BPCL up 2.15%, but again needs to close above this 250 level. Punjab National Bank not helping at all. Bank of Baroda not moving. Gale also going down. Torrent Pharma, nothing interesting happening here. It needs to close above this line again. Sri Cement, there was a huge fall on Friday. Huge in the sense for this stock, it is a little bit huge, but again today we have seen 50% recovery. I would be only interested in this stock if it closes about 29,000. REC up for 5% almost, just like PFC, but again, do not trust this move. Tata Consumer down 1%, nothing interesting. United Spirits also tried to recover some of the losses here. Havel still going flat. Naukari still weak. It is still weak, not at all improving. Dr. Reddy's to almost at the bottom. Dabur down again, literally tested its long term move. This is the long term support I have been. This is the line which is at 480 level. So please be careful in the Dabur. Apollo Hospitals very sharp reversal, almost a bullish engulfing kind of candle happened here, but not a significant. See, volume. Look at this volume, the selling volume, and look at the buying volume. That's why I'm not trusting the volumes here, not trusting the buying happened here. Zydus down 0.7, still weak. Union Bank down 2.7%. The other day we thought Union Bank was down only 2%, while all stocks were down 5-6%. See, the 2 days combined now, even Union Bank is also down almost 6%. See, the selling is happening consistently. Mothers and nothing improvement. Jindal still going sideways. Lombard continuously falling down. See, this was the breakdown from that point. It is making new lows each single day. Same with iPro. Almost made a new low. Some kind of recovery happened, but again, I don't doubt it. JSW Energy up 2%, nothing helps a lot. IndusInd Bank also not doing anything. Yeah, I mean, I thought this was a good rally, but again, it got broke down, massive broke down on the other day. Adani Energy Solution going down, boy, going down. Canara Bank almost made a new low, almost hit 78 today. Very weak. Name very extended on the downside too. I mean, almost all the stocks are extended on the downside. Everyone is expecting reversal. These stocks just move for 1 or 2 days. Again, this is like a sell on rise kind of market we are in. Look at Hero MotoCorp. I mean, this is extremely oversold. Not even there were only two candles or three candles here out of almost it was almost 160 days. It has been 112 trading days. I would hardly see 10 green candles and 100 negative or red candles. See, that's how we are in market. NHPC not helping. BHEL again took a support, took a sharp reversal, just closed above this support zone. Adani Total Gas, nothing interesting. Almost made a new low today, quickly got a reversal. IRCTC do the same thing happened. Looks like the market, especially with Reliance breaking down. It's a little bit tough to tell me because Reliance, TCS, HDFC, Airtel, ICICI, and Infosys together almost comprise 40%. As of now, it is completely balancing. The other day, HDFC and Reliance was holding up, but today both of them gave back, and Airtel as Infosys as well as ICICI, these were helping. So it's really a little bit tough to tell, but I think as per the technical, Nifty might test this 21,700 level very soon. Let's hope that it doesn't happen. If the market reverses and everything becomes normal. So till then, see you tomorrow. And again, please let me know in the comment section how shall we do the live session. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow.